Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we'll be diving into scrapping tweets using the Neater Scrapper library. So after the Twitter become X, it's very difficult to scrap tweets, right? And if you are using the API, you have to pay a lot of money. So for that, there is a package called Entity Scrapper, and under this package, Neater Scrapper tool is there, so we can use this and easily scrap tweets from the Twitter. So this is the official documentation of the package, and we're gonna look and how can we can retrieve the tweets using the usernames, hashtags, and all of this, and also run different queries and also save it desired file types, right? CSV, JSON, anything you can save. So let's get started. So to start, we have to install, right? So for the installation part, we have to just pip install this NT Scrapper. Just copy it down and go to the VS Code and just run it. So just I am running this shell. I already installed it. Let's see. Yeah, it's showing this already satisfied requirement. And after this, we have to import it, the Neater Scrapper, and initialize the scrapper. We can set this log level and skip instance. You can, if you skip, you skip. Doesn't matter that much. Okay, just copy it down and go to the VS Code and just paste it. So here we are importing and creating the scrapper. Yeah, it's testing this instance. And it's done. After this, we can do bunch of things and run different queries like using hashtags and usernames. We can gather the tweets easily. Let's dive into that. So after this, to scrap tweets, we have to use its gets tweets function. And there are two modes you can see. One is hashtag and one is user. So if you are gathering tweets from hashtags, you set the mode in hashtag, or you can set to user to specify the user and the tweets from this user specifically. So run this code, right? So copy it down. At first, let's see the hashtags and let's say okay, GitHub is okay, and you can also specify how many tweets you gather, right? So for this, you set the number equal to, let's say, 10. So we can scrap 10 tweets hashtags of GitHub. Okay, just run this cell. Yeah, it's showing that 10 tweets is gathered. We can see it's a print and GitHub tweets. Yeah, there is tweets under this. There's a link, username, and everything. There is a 10 tweets. Okay, everything is there. Okay, and similarly, if you are just want to scrap this username, so just copy it down and you can scrap it. Like if you want to scrap the Jeff Bezos Twitter account, just copy it down. Sorry, just copy it down and just paste it, and also specify the number. So 10 and run it, and then we have 10 tweets from Jeff Bezos account. So print Jeff Bezos tweets and run this. Yeah, we have this. Everything is sorted, right? And there is bunch of more things here. uh, we can define multiprocessing here, like terms like Elon Musk, GitHub, Bezos, everything in single scrapping. So for this, we have to mention terms here, and we for this also call this get to its function and set the mode in terms, right? It will perform fine, and also you can with the tweets, sorry, tweet ID. Using tweet ID, you can also scrap this particular tweet. Also, bunch of things there, and it's almost says it is. And after this, you can just save the whole process using the CSV format. Okay, so for this, you just have to go through this code. So we're gonna import the CSV and then tweet data, and from this tweet data we have to call the get tweets function, and let's say we want to scrap Jeff Bezos account top sorry, latest 10 tweets. Okay, for this we have to write this query and just save it in from this codes and just run it. After we can run, everything will automatically save in this scrap to its CSV. And when you just open it, you can see the latest 10 tweets from Jeff Bezos. This is the Jeff Bezos first tweet, and this is reshared from Sendville. uh, let's see it is accurate or not. So let's go to the x.com and search for Jeff Bezos, and here we go. The first tweet is our former president showed, and yeah, it's the same. Impressive visit, and yeah, this is all same, like nominal run, nominal run. You can easily scrap tweets using this library. This it for today. If you like it, just like the video and subscribe it.